What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's day 2 working on the CR250 build. I'm here with my shop buddy Zeus. He's not helping out very much, but we've been doing a little work behind the scenes, so enjoy what you see, and it's good to see you back. Okay, as you can see, the subframe is off and removed the rear shock. So we're going to get the swing arm taken off and the gas tank, and we'll go ahead and pull that pipe off because that pipe needs to get some work. I've been stripping it down, doing a lot of cleaning, a little bit of polishing on the frame. Tedious work that really doesn't look too good on the camera. So I've got a few more things to do. Pull off the handlebars. I've got new bars, controls, grips, that kind of stuff. I need to grease the head bearings. Speaking of bearings, I pulled the linkage off the bottom here, greased everything up. Everything looked really good, actually. The grease wasn't dry. The bearing's still rolling good, no slop, so that's encouraging. But I gotta say, the bikes were stored indoors. Even though they sat for a long time, they weren't left out to the elements. So what we'll be working on today is the pipe. As you can see here, I've got a Pro Circuit Works pipe. It's got the factory finish, which you cannot get anymore these days, at least not from Pro Circuit. So I gotta do, it looks like it's just surface rust, so if we get down, do some deep cleaning, I think we can make this pipe look pretty good. So let's do it. All right, so did some work on the pipe. Basically took a wire brush to it, or a wire wheel, and just wire wheeled the crap out of it. So it's not perfect, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was. So as soon as we get some more washers for the end of the pipe there, then we're gonna get this back installed on the bike. But here we are. Motor's been cleaned, power valve's been cleaned. All right, we got the new bars installed. I went with the Renthal 997 twin wall, which is the Ricky Carmichael bend, I believe, or it's the stock CR bend from my 2004. I like that bend, it's comfortable, easy to ride with, so I went with that. I went with the Pro Taper grips. I've already got them glued on and safety wired. And got a new front brake. I had a bent one forever, rode with it forever, bent, and it's time to get a new one. So new build, new brake lever. And I went with the stock Honda. Stock Honda's best brake levers out there. Actually, best levers out there. So just I got some, like I said, waiting for some parts to come in. And once we get that, then we can start putting this thing back together. So that's going to do it for this video, and stay tuned for the next one.